Gemini, welcome to Aether Tarot. Welcome to your general collective reading we're doing today. Starting off with some tea leaves, so let's see what is coming up for you. Such as first card out, Nest. An emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. You have Ladder, climbing towards success. Vulture, depression, anxiety, or worry that someone is against you. You have the Ant, work, achievement, success, and despair, heartache over what you no longer have. Alright, so bottom of the deck we have Fox, shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. So you may feel the need to be shrewd and resourceful at this time. This vulture is a little worrying because it's in the center of your spread, and this does feel like we'll get into the tarot and work on this, but this depression and anxiety could be having you feel someone is working against you, but it may just be in the mind. This could be somebody you're dealing with as well. It may not be you, but it is a central focus for your reading today. So, yeah, an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. So that's but then you've got heartache over what you no longer have. So maybe you no longer have this emotionally secure, loving family around you. But this is, we'll scan this out and see. But we have work, achievement, success, and climbing towards success. So it's like you're climbing up the ladder with what you're doing. We have the Two of Wands in reverse, first card out. Underneath, an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. So I'm feeling like something's come to an end here with the Ten of Swords at the bottom of the deck. And say at the end of the deck. Wheel of Fortune's in reverse, the Devil's in reverse, Six of Cups is in reverse, and we've got a King of Wands here. So I feel like maybe somebody's relationship has come to an end, or is on a break. And now you're not feeling secure. You're realizing how much this happy family is important to you. It's like sometimes, you might leave a situation that's not working and you leave one set of problems and you gain a new set of problems. Like what you had in that relationship that was working wasn't the focus when you were there, because you could only focus on what wasn't working, and it just became so dominant and frustrating and unworkable that you walked away. Somebody's walked away. We've got Eight of Cups here. Somebody's moved on, walked away, put an ending here. But there may still be an option to pull this back together. And somebody here doesn't know what choice to make about that, or don't know what way to go, or you walked away from the problems that can't be fixed, but now not feeling emotionally secure about it, and still in that indecision, still not knowing what way to go. Wheel of Fortune being in reverse, it's the ending, the Devil card in reverse here. It's like you know it wasn't right, you know it wasn't working, but now you've got a new set of problems. It is important to you to have that loving family and that security, and you need to rebuild that. Bring that back into your life some way. Clarify the Two of Wands in reverse. Yeah, the Lovers. Lovers in the upright. We have the Magician in reverse. And Five of Pentacles at the start here too. So, like somebody's trying to manifest. No, Magician in reverse is manipulative. Manipulative manifesting. You could be in a love relationship, or this could just be a sexual relationship that maybe you or the other person is manipulative. We've got Five of Pentacles here, someone's pulling out the cold. Okay, it's not just a sexual relationship, it is a Two of Cups here. And this King of Wands keeps showing up. So you could be in a relationship with the King of Wands, or you could be this King of Wands. Flipping reverse the roles, but you're in a love relationship with somebody who's got no money, or you've got no money. We have the Star card here, so it's like somebody wants to be famous, they wish to be famous, or they want to be popular, or somebody needs a lot of attention, they get a lot of attention. But I feel like it's manipulative. So this could be narcissistic. Yeah, this person always needs a lot of attention. Or they need all of your attention, but it's in a manipulative way. And you know, the Lovers card comes out before the Two of Cups card comes out to clarify. So I feel like, you know, you've met somebody, or you're in a relationship, or this could be a past relationship. You're trying to decide whether or not you go back to it, because when you were there, this is how they made you feel: manipulated and out in the cold, or worthless, or what you earn, what you bring into the relationship is nothing compared to them, that sort of thing. I feel like you're the star really here. You're the star of the relationship. This King of Wands. But I mean, this King of Wands is in the upright. I feel like, you know, they have a lot of passion and desire. Got a few ones out here. Let's clarify with the Eight of Cups. The Ace of Cups. I feel like you're walking away and you're open to new love coming in. Your heart is open. And if it's not open to new love coming in, I feel like you're pouring back into yourself. And this will have new love come in and show up. So you may have met somebody new, and it may not be like committed yet. You might just be sleeping together, and feel like somebody here has emotionally detached from the past, or you know, you could have met this person when you were on a break or when you were on a vacation. Yeah, but you're indecisive about it. Definitely don't know what to choose with regards to it. Maybe you wanted to stay single. Maybe, you know, you left an old relationship and you were just happy to spend some time on your own, recharging. And in the process, you met somebody, you really like them. You don't know what to do. You don't know whether you should bother with it or walk away. So you made a choice here. You've got the Ace of Wands in reverse. Somebody is struggling with depression and anxiety and a lack of passion. A lack of passion for life, a lack of desire coming in, like there's just no passion in life. We've got the Justice in reverse. This could be due to like imbalance, it could be due to the things they've done in the past that weigh on their mind. Like he was an injustice done toward the Queen of Pentacles. This could be the person that you left. Looking at the roles, but the Queen of Pentacles is treated unjustly. And now somebody has no desire for their life. They're depressed, suffering anxiety. The Ten of Pentacles and the High Priestess coming out with this Queen of Pentacles. I feel like she's gone on to work with her Ten of Pentacles and she's in this High Priestess energy. Spiritually evolved, highly intuitive. But there was a serious injustice done towards her. I feel like this spiritual, the spirituality she has is her Ten of Pentacles. Or it's both. Both, like she has money and she has a high ranking, a high spiritual ranking. Let's clarify, what's this Ace of Wands in reverse? Five of Swords in reverse. Like somebody has no desire to fight, no desire to win, no desire to anything. I mean, this is typical of depression, anxiety, this feeling, this energy. No fight for life. No passion. So I feel like this is breakup feels, like somebody is in the dumps, like there's a lot of emotion here. The fight is over. Or there's just no fight left. There's nothing left to fight about, they're not here. Yeah, since the Ten of Swords. So we've got the Ten of Swords, the Wheel of Fortunes in reverse, we've got the Devil in reverse, and the Ten of Cups in reverse. Somebody is not a happy chappy. Nine of Pentacles in reverse, money's not good. They may be relying on others to give to them right now. Six of Pentacles, they could be needing to get help from somebody else in their life because they're in this Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Ten of Cups in reverse, Devil energy in reverse. It's like this codependency, this addictive behavior, all of it. It's I feel like there's a lot of behaviour that was done behind the scenes in the dark. And this person, it's maybe what they sow, they're not happy. Somebody could have returned to like addictive patterns and behaviours, or this is what's caused this breakup and what's got them there in the first place. Ten of Swords. And I feel like that's what's brought in this depression. We've got Three of Swords here, heartbreak. World's just coming on top of them, and they've got the Tower. Somebody was living an unconventional lifestyle, something going against societal norms, like not really something that others would consider upstanding, or something that others would frown upon. They got this Tower. Suddenly everything collapsed. Like how they were living their life is completely unsustainable. Like it was, had to come down. Now, Seven of Wands in reverse, like everything's on top of them, life's on top of them, competition's on top of them, they don't have the upper ground or the higher hand. It's just heartbreak here. Money's flipping around, things aren't good. They don't have money. They don't have any contribution or an equal give and take. It's completely imbalanced. Somebody who's a taker, not a giver. Endings, betrayals, toxic behaviours, completely depressed, unhappy, sad, no money again, and literally need help from others, like cannot do it on their own. They need financial help. They're in big trouble. Big trouble. So Four of Swords, somebody's in timeout. They are trying to think their way through a situation. Now, this could also be like you've left a situation, or we can go versa roles, right? Like put yourself where you need to be. But somebody has left the relationship, walked away, and this other person is now dealing with this. I feel like they're the ones who are left. And this could be like somebody is crying poor, crying sick, crying, helpless, broke, all these things like not manning up and just getting on with it and taking care of things. And it's like they caused it, they brought it all on themselves to begin with. And then they're going to sit around and cry about it and want you to come back and fix things. Pull on heartstrings, etc. And it's like you've always done that, but to your own detriment. And they've done nothing but be backstabbing and terrible and horrible towards you in this relationship. And now they're also sad that they didn't basically pull it off, that, defend it due to their own behaviour, due to their own bullshit. But then they have the gall to blame you and cry about it and how do you leave me and all this. But how did they do what they did when they had you? Right? So for a sword, somebody's contemplating how to sort this out. Now this could be you. You may not be contemplating how to sort this out, but somebody is kind of trying to come up with a plan. This is somebody who is healing. It is probably you who is healing all of this past stuff. What is the fourth sword? The world. You're starting a new cycle. You may be thinking about traveling. You may be thinking about moving to a new place, or you already have. You could be contemplating, okay, how do I now move on from this and rebuild my life? Because they likely left you with no money, trying to get some fresh ideas to build yourself back into this kind of impulse energy. So there could be some heartache over what you no longer have because you left some, you want an emotionally secure, loving family. That's important to you, and you had some version of that, but it was toxic. Ultimately, it didn't work, and you want that back again. You may have to be juggling some finances at this time to sort of work things out. Somebody's juggling to try and keep the balance of things. Yeah. Three of Pentacles in reverse, so trying to manage their money, their career, work towards a successful outcome. So I feel like that's now becoming the focus. The focus is starting a new cycle, getting a fresh start, new portal, maybe some travel, but here figuring it out, figuring out the money, healing from heartbreak, being left with nothing, Five of Pentacles. So literally starting from scratch, so trying to juggle how to rebuild. Yeah. I feel like you've got a long-term view and you've got a Knight of Pentacles and a Knight of Wands trying to come in. This Knight of Wands is coming with the Magician in reverse, so he's manipulative. You might have a couple of men chasing you at this time, sending you a message here and there. You've got a lot of options. There's Seven of Cups, got a lot of options. A lot of possibilities. I don't feel like you're making any choices about that right now. You're more so planning to get back on your feet financially and it takes some time for yourself to heal from your broken heart. So, yeah, this is good. This is a nice place to be. All right. Let's get you an EMOJI. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries. At the bottom of the deck, we have faith in your dreams. Moon. So, moon in Aries. The flame is lit. A wonderful new start beckons, and you're on the right track. Drawing this card is a superbly positive sign if there is something you want to happen in your life. Take this card as a big yes from the universe. This is the time to really tune into your dreams. You may still have a long way to go. After all, Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, but you're on your way. Determination, self-exertion, and bravery are called for. But the hot fire of Aries is driving you towards success in whatever endeavour you're asking about. The caution, don't go too fast and forget your manners. Treat people well as you charge towards your goals. You'll create much better karma for yourself. Attune to the moon, don't even think about giving up. Additional meanings for this card, do your best and be happy with that. Avoid being brash right now. You need a 12-month plan. A new male is coming into your life. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, so the new moon in Aries is the first of the 12 or 13 moon phases of the year. If you're committed to working with all the lunations, then the new moon in Aries is the right time to start. And drawing this card, no matter when you do it, signifies it's also the ideal time to start your moon work, such as setting intentions. Yeah, this world card could also mean the cycle is starting for the next 12 months. That is the timing card as well. Let's get you one more oracle card. Eagle medicine. This one before. It comes down. Work in healthcare. Profound connection to the Creator and the heavenly realms. As the eagle soars high above the earth, it has the ability to see things from a higher perspective. Courage and stamina are filling your life. You have the ferocity to right injustice and wrongs done to you or to others. This is the time to face fear and overcome it. If the Eagle Medicine card has chosen you, you are at the advent of the opportunity to truly see life from a rarefied vantage point. Eagles are considered one of the most sacred of all birds in many tribes and cultures. Their single-minded fierceness, dynamic energy, and ability to soar high are part of the reason for this. This card reminds you to take heart and face fear. You do not You do indeed have the strength to overcome any adversity. You also have a direct line to the Creator. Your prayers are heard and will be answered in accordance with your highest good. You have the capacity to channel extraordinary life force energy through your hands. Go on an inner journey and imagine that you're an eagle. Feel the power of your wings, the clarity of your eyesight, and the power of your talons. As you do this, be aware of the energy of the majestic eagle filling you. So, yeah, I feel like you're better off out of this thing that you've left, and just keep persisting, because I feel like you're more emotionally secure now than you were in that relationship that was tearing you down. You have the right substance to it. You outgrew it. You will succeed. Just slowly but surely. Don't rush. Enjoy the journey. So, Gemini, this is your reading today, and I hope you got some clarity or it resonates and you got something out of it. If you did, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Help this channel to grow. And I'll be back in a couple of days with another reading for you. So make sure you have your notification bell switched on.